Hello there, this is Zach, your IT consultant. As promised in my previous video, I'm here with a very common problem faced by users and entities: low budget or short-term requirement of IT hardware like server, storages, network devices, and is the most common problem faced by a lot of organizations. No one would want to spend a huge amount to fulfill a short-term requirement. If you faced a similar problem with it, well, I present to you Renting of Enterprise IT Hardware Solution by Zaco Computers, which will help you to fulfill your short-term IT hardware requirement without spending huge amounts on it. Let's see some distinct features of renting enterprise IT hardware from Zaco Computers. We offer IT hardware at an affordable deal. You can rent a high-end workstation, server, or a storage suited to your project requirement. We have 100% tested reliable servers and IT hardware which ensures better work productivity, power efficiency, and prevention of data loss. Based on your business needs, Zaco lets you choose from the server system of various kinds. We will get the system delivered and also assist you in installation, giving you a smooth rental experience. Our unique buy-up feature gives you an option to purchase the equipment at a later stage when you are ready for it. After paying an agreed price and discontinuing the monthly rentals, you get the ownership of the equipment. Our rental solutions are best suited for short-term projects, startups, and entities running on a limited budget. Here are some benefits of renting IT hardware. Whether you are a startup, an established enterprise, or a freelancer, renting a server will work best for you in case you're running on a limited budget, or there's a short-term project requirement. It will help you cut down your IT cost as it has lower upfront costs compared to buying equipment outright. It can also help you in saving your tax as you can deduct rentals paid as a business expense. Our buyer policy option helps customers with sensitive data to retain the equipment in-house and avoid instances of data leakage. Our rental solution will solve the common problems faced by the entities and help save money so that you can focus more on your business. Stay tuned for more such tips and solutions. If this video was helpful to you, then do like, share, and subscribe.